To get a Minecraft server that is up 24 hours without you having to do any maintenance, check out patrickfassler.com/apex for a great deal on a 24-hour Minecraft server. Hey, what's up guys, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can start a Minecraft server from your Mac in Minecraft 1.8.2. Now I do want to mention before I jump into this video that this is not the method that I recommend to use to start a Minecraft server. This won't be a 24-hour server. You will have to be at your computer anytime that you want this server to be running. You will have to do all of the back-end maintenance, and it's going to use your computer's resources for people to log into the server. Because of all that, it really isn't the most effective way to start a server, and it really can be at times not the most secure either because you don't have DDoS protection, and you also have to give out your public IP address in order for people to join the server. With this method, you also don't get any support, so if you have a problem, you have to do the research yourself. You have to go on YouTube and find videos and find out how to do all the back-end server stuff yourself. Whereas if you have ApexMinecraftHosting, they have great support, phenomenal DDoS protection, and great perks overall for decent prices, as you can see on the screen here. So go ahead and click the link in the description below if you want a dedicated 24-hour Minecraft server, and from there you will be able to sign up and log in and get your server running instantly. This method that I'm about to show you is a little more difficult and takes quite a bit more time and effort, and it is going to use your computer's resources and some of your network resources, so it's not really the most efficient way to do this. Before I jump in though, I do want to say that you can also purchase a server from Apex by going to patrickfassler.com/apex, and that will take you straight over to the sign up page, and you'll be able to try out their servers for a great price. So once you're ready to start, go ahead and head over to minecraft.net/download. This link will actually be in the description below underneath Apex Minecraft Hosting, and what you need to do is click here where it says Minecraft_server 1.8.3 jar. Go ahead and click download and click save file if you're using Firefox. Most browsers should automatically just understand that you want to save it, but for this video I'm just using Firefox. And now you have this Minecraft server 1.8.3 jar file. Go ahead and create a new folder on your desktop and call this Minecraft server. And from there, go ahead and drag your Minecraft server 1.8.3 into your Minecraft server folder that you put on your desktop. And now what you need to do is go ahead and open this up. So if you get something like this, that's perfectly normal. This is called Gatekeeper, and it's a feature built into OS X as a security protocol. You can go ahead and click open, but if that does not work, you need to go over to System Preferences, type in Gatekeeper, and what this is going to do is go ahead and click the lock, and what you'll be able to do is choose Allow Apps Downloaded from Anywhere, and that's what you need to have selected in order to do this. Now you can go ahead and double click on this. It's going to tell you that it is downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, this is perfectly safe. It's perfectly fine. Now it's going to create some folders in this folder for you. I do also want to say, guys, that it may ask you to download Java JDK. That's perfectly fine. Go ahead and click more info on that dialog box. It'll take you off to Java's website and download the Java Developers Kit for your operating system. Also, guys, make sure that your Java is updated to the latest version on your Mac, and you can do all that by going to Java's website, which will be in the link below. But now that you have all of this extracted into the Minecraft server folder, go ahead and open the eula.txt with TextEdit. So now that this is open, what you need to do is head over to this link, read the EULA, which is the end user's license agreement, and once you've read it, which I already have, go ahead and change EULA equals from false to true. Go ahead and hit Command S or save, and you can go ahead and exit out of TextEdit. So now that you've done that, go ahead and open the Minecraft server jar file again, and this will go ahead and extract some more folders here and also open up this Java dialog box. So as you can see, it is preparing the spawn area and setting up everything for the server that you need. Alright, so as you can see now, the preparing the spawn area is done. You can go ahead and close out of this because you don't need it right now. But now what you need to do is head over to System Preferences, and from here go ahead and go to your network preferences. So from here, go ahead and click on Advanced, and then click on TCP/IP. Now this is going to show your IPv4 address, and it's also going to show your router number, which is very important for this. So right here where it has your IPv4, go ahead and copy that, and then come over here to server.properties in your Minecraft server folder. So right click on this, hit open with, and then select other, because there isn't an app that automatically recommends this. So what you need to do is find TextEdit and open that, and all of the server properties will open in TextEdit. So from there, where it says server IP, you need to go ahead and paste that right there, hit Command S to save, and go ahead and close out of the server properties. So now guys, what you need to do is go ahead and download the start.command shell file that I have in the description below. What this is going to do is allow your server to essentially start. This is going to pretty much be your console for the server. Now, I would normally just tell you to create this file yourself. However, it does require a different application that doesn't come on OS X called Coda, or another HTTP editing application. For this though, I just recommend downloading what I already have set up for you. It's much easier and will cause much less hassle. So go ahead and drag it into your Minecraft server folder and open it up. Now as you can see, this is going to take a minute. It has an exit command up there right now, and now it is starting the Minecraft server 1.8. So right now it's doing the same thing that the Minecraft server jar file did, and it's just preparing the spawn area for the server. And now it says done. So now what you need to do, this isn't required, but I recommend doing it just in case anything happens, go ahead and type stop. Now as you can see, it says the server has stopped, and that's perfectly fine. That's what you want to do. Now you need to get your default gateway. So to set up the next part, which is the port forwarding, you need to head over to the link in the description below. It's a rocket link. It's rocket.us/6WA, and from here you need to find the version of router that you have, or the brand of router that you have. In my case, I have a Linksys router, so I already know how to get to this, but what you also need to do is go back to your system preferences, and where it says router, go ahead and copy that, and then come over to your web browser, open a new tab, paste it, and click enter. Now this is going to take you to some type of interface, whether it be Linksys, Cisco, or any other type that you found here, and yours won't necessarily be 192.168.1.1. It could be something completely different depending on the type of router that you have. So for instance, if you have a Unisys router, you would go ahead and click on that, and you will find the default router password for your router. So now what you need to do is head back over to the tab where you pasted that. For me, it's 192.168.1.1. It may have a dialog box up here asking you to use your login info that you can find from here, or it may have it set up to where you have an account, which I do. So what you're looking for in this dashboard, yours may look exactly like mine, or it will look completely different than what mine looks like. Either way is fine, because you just need to find the same thing. So what you need to do is find your port forwarding options in advanced settings. So for this, mine is in security, and from there I would go to apps and gaming, and then port forwarding range. And then what I would do is I would hit add port forwarding range, and you can call it Minecraft server. So for the start and end port, you need to type 25565, and for the end you need to type 25565. And for protocol, you need to make sure that both is selected, not just TCP and not just UDP, but both. And now from here you need to find the device IP. So this is going to be your IPv4 address that you found in here. So as you can see, mine is .1.101. And now you need to just go ahead and click save, apply, and once that's done, click OK. So now you are essentially done. All you need to do is head back over to this file, go ahead and exit out, and then come back over and hit the start command again. This will start back up your server. So as you can see, everything is set up and working. It says done, and now what we need to do is move on to the next step. So in order for your friends to find this and to be able to log on to the server, you need to have your public IP. This is where the security gets a bit strange, because you have to actually give your friends your public IP address. So what you need to do is just go to google.com, and from there all you need to do is type IP and click enter. Now your public IP address is going to show up here, and this is what your friends are going to use to connect to your server directly in Minecraft. They need to take this number right here and just put it in their Minecraft when they want to join the server. This is the only way that they can join this server. They have to have your public IP address, and like I said, that's where it causes some security issues, because you can't just give this out to everyone, because it's going to cause some issues if someone doesn't have the right intentions for you. So now let's go ahead and test the server on my PC to see if it works from another computer. So what we need to do is head on over to my PC, so I will do a quick cut here. Alright guys, so now that we're here in Minecraft, what we need to do is go ahead and click multiplayer and then click on add server. So from there they can just name the server name whatever they want, and then you need to enter the public IP address for the server, which for me is going to be hidden. So now what you need to do is just go ahead and click done, and it will add the server right there. You can just go ahead and launch into it. This is just, like I said, a vanilla Minecraft server, and if you want mods you need to use ApexMinecraftHosting. So as you can see, the world is generating around me, and I actually spawned right near a nice little sand village, which is awesome. But for this video I am going to now show you that you can op yourself through the console on your Mac, and it will affect anything else on the server. So now what I'm going to do in the start.command file is type op and then my Minecraft username. Now as you can see right here it says opt Patrick Fassler. Now I can also show you that it does work with other commands, so I could type kill Patrick Fassler. And as you can see, it affects that on the server there as well. Alright guys, so now that you have all of that completed, you can actually just go ahead and close out of your start.command folder. You can close out of your network preferences in system preferences, and you can go ahead and close out of your Minecraft server folder. When you want to start the server up, just go ahead and double click on the start command and it should automatically launch the server. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let's go ahead and cut to an outro clip. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up and let me know if this worked in the comment section down below. If you have any problems, let me know in the comment section also, and I will try to help if I know the solution or know what to do. Also guys, remember that I really do recommend using ApexMinecraftHosting for this. Like I said, you can go to patrickfassler.com/apex. That link will be the first one in the description below. And what you need to do is just sign up, get your server running, and then you're done. You can give anyone that address to join the server, and it's not going to hurt you in any way. Whereas if you gave people your public IP address, it can cause some issues. Also guys, like I said, Apex has some of the best support, some of the best features, and honestly I think they are the best Minecraft server in the industry, so I highly recommend checking them out and at least giving them a shot for a couple months to see if you like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I said, and I will see you next time.